Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today let's talk about this problem 1 to 5 from leetcode. So this problem is whether a given string is a valid palindrome. So let's look at the problem statement. This is our problem, and I want you guys to pause this video for a second and see if you can come up with your own solution for this problem. Alright, so let's look at the given example. So we have a given string s, and here we have a race, here is a space, a, here is a space, car. So I put this in an array, and you can see this. Here we have, so this empty, these guys are all space, right? Okay, so to find the valid palindrome, and in this case we want to first remove any non-alphanumeric characters. This means we can have letters and number. So letters and numbers. So given this, how should we remove this any characters that are not alphanumeric? My way of doing this is we iterate this s. So we will be iterating it for say I in range of length of s, and then we would have to check and then we have to check for each character whether that is alphanumeric or not. So in Python, we have this function. We have this def is all num. Basically, this function checks whether a given character is a alphanumeric or not. So we can do this. For I in range of length of this s, we check if say s of I, and then we have this function is all num. If this is true, this means that we have alphanumeric character, then we append that to our queue. So once you run this for loop, we would have array, something like this, and then in our array queue, we only have alphanumeric characters. Now for the next step, we have to check whether this is a valid palindrome. So we have to check this guy. So we have to check whether these guys are equal, and then the next we have to check whether these guys are equal, and then this guy, and then this guy, right? But obviously these guys are not equal, so this is not a valid palindrome. So how should we do this? You can come up with many ways. You can use 2 pointers to do this, or I would say we can use this deque from our collection module. So we first say q is my collections dot deque. We would have this while loop, while if they are equal, say in this case here we have first letter and then the last letter, like they are the same. So when they are the same, we pop both left and right, pop both leftmost and rightmost. So we should do this, and we do this until we have either one letter left or we have nothing, right? So we have whether, so we learn while length of q is bigger than 1 if q pop left is equal to, well, actually it's not equal to say q of pop, then we return false, right? Otherwise, if they're equal, then we keep popping both leftmost and rightmost. And if we were able to execute this while loop without returning false, then we have to return true. I think that should be it. And I think deque is much better because the time complexity for pop left is O of 1. I forgot about mentioning this. So if you look at the problem statement, we have to convert all uppercase letters into lowercase letters. So we have to say, like here, we have to add something like this. Si dot, say we have to add this lower function. Okay, so let's try to write a code for this problem. And so we first have to import our collection module. So here we have import collection. All right, and we initialize our queue, collection.deque. Oops. And we have to create a for loop. So we have for, say, letter in s, if letter dot is all num. If this is true, then we have to append that to our queue. Okay, and then we have to run a while loop while length of q is greater than 1, we check it if they are not equal. So you mean if the leftmost guy and then the rightmost guy are not equal, then we return the false, right? So we have q dot pop left is not equal to, say, q dot pop, and we return false. Otherwise we keep popping the leftmost and the rightmost. And then if we exit the while loop, then we return true. This should be it, and let's run this code. Oh, forgot about this. This one should be, this one should work. Alright, so yeah, my mistake about forgetting this. So that's for this problem. Next time I will talk about this palindrome series. And yeah, that's for this video. And if my video helps, please give me thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.